these car costs? You should get some help with that personality of yours. What, you don't see me driving? Good God. Push him in. Oh, yeah. Hi. Fuck, man. No shit. That is the ship. Whoa!
You damn fool!
This is a joke!
Hey, Michael.
David. Well, isn't this nice? You can tell me we were double dating. Sorry, guys. This burning hunk of love is all mine.
You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Let's go. The Bureau owns a lot out in East LS. Covington Supplies off El Rancho. Can you take us there?
Yeah, sure. Sounds nice and secluded. Kind of place you'd run an off-the-books operation. Huh.
So what?
So what? I bet federal ain't on the deed. That's so. And we all like our federal government open and transparent.
Except when closed and opaque suits you better.
Hey, I'm just a puppet. You're the one pulling the strings.
No, he's a celebrity. I totally cannot tell you his name. You know how I do it. See you at the casting call later.
Tell me, Davey, you expense this ride to the taxpayer?
I need you to make a couple of calls. Get some people on board. First guy is Franklin Clinton.
Hey, I barely know that kid. He's fixing up my car.
Call him, or we'll send some G-men to his aunt's house.
Okay. Okay.
Michael, this ain't the best time. I'm kind of busy.
Hey, sorry about that. Listen, you know that thing we talked about before? It's happening. I need you to come to a lot off El Rancho, not far from where we met before.
All right, that's cool. I'm in LS anyway.
Now, Trevor Phillips.
Oh, you're crazy. I ain't calling him.
I thought you might say that, so we had him picked up.
That's a dumb move, Dave. Real fucking dumb.
Just worry about the plan, okay? Getting Mr. K out of the IAA station. Watch it! Out of the IAA station. Clinton's going to be positioned across the street, keeping an eye on the proceedings. Phillips flies you in, you rappel down, make the extraction.
And I'm the best guy you got for this.
With you, we've got good leverage.
Great. And you brought Trevor in. We're telling him I'm all cozy with the F5P.
You'll need discreet support. We'll maintain control of the situation.
Discreet? Control? Yeah, good luck controlling discreet Trevor. I wonder how controllable and discreet he'll be when he sees the guy who killed me and put Brad in jail.
Come back.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. You know what? You better keep a low profile.
Yeah, I think I will. See you later.
Who's that cagey motherfucker, huh? No, it's another cagey motherfucker, all right? Not you.
Hey, T, enough with the faux political bullshit. Franklin.
We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown. Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I guess you gotta make compromises. What happened to dying with a gun in your hand? Life happened. Annoying wife, 2 kids. Remember them? You get tied down, you can't move anymore. What about your ties to me? To Brad? Those ties are why you got roped in on this FIB instigated suicide pact. For as long as it keeps me amused, I am. I ain't exactly sure it's gonna be amusing. We'll see. You know, you had me at suicide pact. Point is on the west side of the tower. Get us in position so I can rappel down. Long enough. We're too far from the wall.
You fuck around while I'm out there. I'll climb back up this rope and strangle you with it.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Okay, here we go.
Next, I'll have this thing so far up your ass, your tonsils will be playing shadow puppets. You think we can't do that? We can. It's in our guidelines.
I don't know what you're talking about. I installed cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No.
You think you're impenetrable? See how you feel with this is 18 inches deep inside. Get the lube. What the fuck is this? Terminate him! Close this problem right now!
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station team! I'm not finished with Mr. K!
Hey, I got 3 guys in here. We're on the way.
Drop it! Drop the gun!
Wait! We do not have a green light.
Come on, like I said, back up.
36 row. I got you.
We are not here to play on this day. Get off it!
Slow down!
Hey, get us over here!
Hold on!
Come on, man!
What the hell's going on?
Room's clear, D! Hit the winch, get us out!
This is unacceptable.
Help! Hey, we need to be clear of this building! There's guys shooting at you, Mikey! That's unfinished! Vincent, clean it up! We'll move on! You damn softy! I knew you were a liability, you fucking turd! Oh, it ain't me trying to shoot you, Mikey!
I'm slipping!
I don't like this! That's it, get us out of here!
Whoa! Looks like we're back to the attention of their air unit.
You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin!
I thought I had the easy job.
You are free to the U.S. Constitution. Leave the force will be utilized!
Franklin, miss his ass. Hey, I'm clear over here.
Nice one, kid! I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the choppers before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying. Don't mention it.
The Bureau, the FIB, they will make everything okay?
I'm sure. Don't worry, they'll look after you.
The things those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Yeah, well, that don't seem to matter too much. Put her down in the lot, Trevor.
Let's go.
Where are we?
You go easy on him.
Thank you. Oh, he saved me. Hey. No.
Hey, I said easy. Oh, come on, give the guy a break. All right, we'll get out of this shit.
Leave a message.